What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing an operating system on this MacBook Pro. This is the i5 Intel processor with the touch bar. It is a 2020 with two Thunderbolt 3 ports. I believe it is model A2289. And I'm going to be using this that I picked up from Office Max. This is nice because it has both USB-C and USB-A. And essentially, what I'm going to do is I'm going to format this so that we can create a bootable flash drive. So let's go over to the PC and show you how to do that. So you're going to be using this program called Transmac. You get a 15-day free trial. So before we do that, let's go ahead, plug in our USB, open up command prompt, and here you're going to type in diskpart. After diskpart opens up, you're going to type in list disk. From here, you want to make sure you select the correct disk. In my case, it's a 64 gig, so I know it's that third one, disk 2. But you want to open up File Explorer, check this PC, and make sure you're selecting the correct disk that you are going to format. So once you verify, go ahead and select that disk. Once you have selected it, go ahead, type in clean. This will clean it. Now you're going to convert it into MBR. Once you do that, then you'll convert it to GBT. Now you are ready to go ahead and open up this program. You can also run this step as well, where you create a partition primary. And after this, we're going to go ahead and install this program. I will put a link to this, but you can just do a Google search. So here it is. Let me show you how to install an operating system. You'll go to this link, and here they have older version .dmg image files. I'm going to be installing Sierra 10.12. Let's go ahead, open up Transmac now. Again, it's just telling you that you have a trial version. When you go ahead and right click on the flash drive and you hit restore, it's going to try and open it up in admin mode. You'll hit yes. So then you'll wait again. So you'll hit right click, you'll hit that option again. You'll hit yes, you're going to click this, find the image. So I'm going to go ahead, select it. Then you'll hit OK. I actually don't know what this checkbox does, but I always check it because on different occasions, one time it works with it, one time without. But I'm going to check it in this case because I've already tested it works. You'll hit OK. Let this finish, and then you'll get a message saying that the bootable flash drive is ready and it's been done. So you're going to go ahead, plug in the flash drive. And when you turn it on, then you're going to hold the option key on your MacBook. So once I hit it on, I'm going to hold it. And then this should recognize the flash drive. So let's wait here 1 second. There you go. It's going to be this orange one on the far right. I'm going to select it, hit go. And this is going to take some time to load. So I will just go ahead and show you what it looks like after it fully loads. After it loads, you'll be greeted with this screen. Go ahead and keep clicking next and continue, and then hit agree. Once you do that, if you do not see your drive on this list, I always like to wipe the drive prior to installing a new operating system. So up at the top, if you hit utilities and then you click on disk utility, we can go ahead and wipe the solid state drive. So it will greet you with this screen, and you will find the top leftmost drive. You'll select it, and then you will hit erase. And then I just keep the default. You can change the name of the drive but keep the same options. Hit go. This is going to unmount, and then it's going to clean it up, and then it's going to remount it. And let's go ahead, wait here a second. And you're done. Just hit done. You can X out of here, and then you'll go back to the previous screen where you can select the drive. So it's going to be this guy. You'll hit continue, and it's as easy as that. Hope this helps.